Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Milwaukee Brushless 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring kit. This is a special buy kit. It comes not only with the impact wrench, it also comes with the XC4.0 battery. It also comes with a charger and the storage bag. And it fits all M18 batteries. So we're just gonna take a look at how it looks and hopefully you like it. Brand new. So let's open this up. It also has a variable speed trigger from 0 to 1750 RPM, and everything comes in this bag. I like the bag because it has a wire here running through here, so when you open the bag like that, stays open. So it has this wire thing that runs through here, so it stays like that, so you can reach inside, get your tools, put them back, and there. And it has handles so you can take it with you. And as you can see, it comes well organized. It comes with this that has the many tools that you can use and the same batteries with. And perhaps you are looking at this video because you already have a Milwaukee tool. You just want to get another one for your collection. Here is some operation manual. And there you have the battery right here, charger, and your tool. It's heavy duty, it's heavy right here on top, and you have a locking trigger so you can unlock it. So you have the safety right there. And your battery, you have the battery right here, and here you have it. It is an M18 Redlithium XC4.0, and you have a push button right here to check the battery life. Right now it's not charged. It's easy to put on here. It locks into place. There goes the LED light. Squeeze both sides to take it off. There, I like that the LED light is right here because it's on an angle facing here. There, it's the light's right there. And you also have the charger. The charger can charge two different batteries, this one and this one. And you have the LED lights here to let you know that red it's charging, green is charged. You can charge the M12 and M18. So it is a heavy duty tool and it's ready to work. The bag itself, it's ready for a strap right here. I don't know if it does come with a strap. No, I don't think it does, but you can put one. It goes from here to all the way to the other side, to the other corner, but you could also carry it with your hand. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.